Hello and welcome back to Smart Chapter, your trusted guide to living a healthier, more energized life at every stage. Today, we're diving into something absolutely essential to our well-being: sleep. It may sound simple. After all, you've been doing it every night for your entire life. But as we grow older, the quality of our sleep changes, and often, not for the better. What's worse? Most of us are unknowingly making mistakes that are quietly sabotaging our sleep from behind the scenes. In this episode, I'll walk you through 3 of the most common sleep mistakes many of us make, and more importantly, how to fix them with simple, smart changes. Because better sleep isn't just about waking up less tired. It's about protecting your memory, your mood, your immune system, and your ability to enjoy every moment of your day. Mistake number 1: eating the wrong foods too close to bedtime. You might think a little snack before bed is harmless, maybe some crackers, cereal, or fruit. But the truth is, eating heavy or high-sugar foods late in the evening forces your body to stay active when it should be winding down. Your digestive system slows with age. So when you eat late, especially greasy, spicy, or sugary foods, your body works overtime digesting, and that delays deep sleep. The result: you toss, you turn, you wake up groggy. So, what should you do? Try to finish dinner at least 2 to 3 hours before bed. And if you're truly hungry before sleep, stick to light, sleep-friendly options like a few almonds, a banana, or a small bowl of oatmeal. Even a warm glass of milk can help. The goal is to support your body's rhythm, not interrupt it. Punchline: remember, what you eat before bed doesn't just fill your stomach, it sets the stage for your entire night's rest. Mistake number 2: the caffeine and alcohol double whammy. Caffeine is a stimulant. It blocks the chemical that makes us feel sleepy, and as we age, our bodies take longer to process it. That afternoon cup of coffee at 3 p.m., it could still be affecting your brain at 9 or 10 p.m. So if you're struggling to fall asleep or stay asleep, consider setting a caffeine curfew, a no caffeine afternoon or early afternoon. Try switching to herbal tea or decaf later in the day. Then there's alcohol. It's tricky, it feels relaxing, even sleep-inducing, but it interferes with REM sleep, which is essential for memory and emotional balance. You might fall asleep faster with alcohol, but your sleep will be lighter, more fragmented, and far less restorative. To sleep better, avoid alcohol at least 3 to 4 hours before bed. And if you do drink, keep it light and early, ideally with dinner. These small changes can make a huge difference in how rested you feel. Punchline: caffeine and alcohol may fool you into thinking they help, but they're stealing your deep, restorative sleep right under your nose. Mistake number 3: irregular sleep schedule and napping habits. Our bodies run on an internal clock, our circadian rhythm, and that clock craves consistency. But when we go to bed at different times every night, or sleep in late on weekends, we disrupt that clock. It's like giving your body jet lag every few days. And over time, it wears down your sleep quality. And let's talk about naps. A short nap can be helpful, but long or late day naps, they can rob you of the sleep drive your body needs at night. So here's the fix: try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, including weekends. Even just a 1-hour variation can throw off your rhythm. And if you do nap, keep it short, 20 to 30 minutes max, and do it early in the afternoon, between 1 and 3 p.m. By setting a rhythm and sticking to it, you teach your body when to feel sleepy and when to feel alert naturally. Punchline: consistency is your body's secret weapon. When you honor your internal clock, your sleep transforms from restless to restorative. So, to recap, the 3 mistakes silently ruining your sleep are: eating heavy or sugary foods too late, relying on caffeine and alcohol at the wrong times, and maintaining an inconsistent sleep routine. Now the good news, all three are fixable with small, thoughtful changes, and when you improve your sleep, everything else improves with it: your energy, your focus, your mood, and your overall health. If you found this helpful, take just one of these tips and try it this week. Maybe it's moving your last cup of coffee earlier in the day, or adjusting your dinner time, or simply committing to a consistent bedtime. And if this helped you, imagine how many others could benefit too. Please like this video so it reaches more people. Subscribe to Smart Chapter for more expert-backed tips designed to help you thrive at every age. And let us know in the comments, what's your biggest sleep challenge? Or what's one thing that helps you sleep better? Your experience might be just the insight someone else needs. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, take care, sleep well, and live smart.
So there you have it, 5 powerful, natural ways to enjoy the best sex of your life after 60. Let's recap. 1. Eat for circulation. To strengthen your pelvic floor. 3. Move your body daily. 4. Use natural lubricants. 5. Nurture emotional connection. These are simple shifts, but they can transform your health, your confidence, and your most important relationships. And here's the truth. Growing older doesn't mean growing colder. You have more wisdom, more patience, and more heart now than ever before, so own your power. You deserve joy. You deserve connection. You deserve to feel alive in every way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment below. I'm ready to feel connected again. And subscribe to Smart Chapter for weekly tips on aging strong, living well, and loving your life after 60. Until next time, stay well, stay confident, and stay connected.